Congratulations on purchasing your CP3 Classic. In this video we will show you how to set up your CP3 and have it ready for spraying. Remove the tank, backstrap, sprayer lance and the arm strainer from the packaging. Inside the tank you will find a bag which contains the owner's manual and small parts of the sprayer assembly, as well as the sprayer hose and trigger. Installing the harness. Insert the two top loops of the harness to the top of the tank and secure with the plastic pins provided. There are two loop straps located at the bottom of the harness. Insert them into the slots of the bottom of the tank and secure each one with a plastic pin that has been provided. Next, you need to install the pipe that comes complete with the trigger. Connect the pipe connection to the back of the tank and secure with the brass wing nut. Once the pipe is installed, insert the lance into the trigger housing, which consists of a grommet and a cap nut. Tighten the nut to ensure a good seal to the trigger. At the end of the lance is a plastic elbow. Assemble the nozzle into the nozzle nut. Place the nozzle in first, then the washer. Tighten the nozzle to the elbow. Once you have installed the hose and trigger, turn the sprayer over to expose the pump diaphragm area. Insert the arm strainer through the two bearings and the crank arm. Insert the flat washer at the end and lock the strainer arm in place with the split pin. Finally, switch the pressure control valve to either high or low setting depending on your application, and then insert the water plastic sieve and secure the blue cap on top. It is important to keep the sieve in place when filling the tank, as this will prevent any dirt and debris in the water from clogging up the system. The CP3 comes with a 250ml measuring jug, which can be used for mixing the measuring chemicals. The CP3 also comes with a special tool which is used for switching the pressure control valve to high pressure 3 bar or low pressure 1 bar. This is so the operator does not have to stick his hand in the tank and potentially get chemicals on his or her hands. Your sprayer is now set up and ready for spraying. Inside the packet that comes with the sprayer, you will find the following parts. 3 plastic harness pins for securing the harness to the sprayer. 2 flat washers for securing the strainer arm. 1 washer is a spare. 1 nozzle cap. 1 yellow hollow cone nozzle. 1 green flat jet nozzle. And finally 1 split pin clip. Thank you for watching our video and happy spraying.